The information in this video is aimed at explaining some of the more important aspects of developing mechanical loading platforms. The information is intended for researchers who may be interested in developing their own platforms but unfamiliar with some of the basic principles involved. This video is intended to demonstrate the two key features involved in developing a reliable testing platform, specifically reproducible assembly and disassembly and accurate alignment. Demonstrating the assembly of the platform will be Mr. Robbie Thoerner. Robbie Thoerner recently received his undergraduate degree at the University of Akron from our Department of Biomedical Engineering in the biomechanics track.
The goal is to assemble the testing device. Here is an example of an assembled device, which has two actuators, load cells, and a frame to support them. Gather the parts to construct the device. Use two programmable actuators, each with 30 mm travel, 60 mm when working together. Daisy chain the actuators to sync them for equal extension and retraction. Next, prepare two load cells suitable for confined spaces. To support the actuators, prepare one carriage for each of them, along with a rail. Create the base from aluminum stock. Cut a piece to the appropriate size, and use a mill to machine the plate accordingly to specifications. Machine two side plates according to specifications. The two should mirror one another, and each should have a slot and drilled holes to accommodate the rail. Drill and tap the bottom faces of the side plates. Mount the side plates in the track on the base. Be sure the mount points for the